Okay, get it. Okay.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ray Double J. Hey, and I'm back with another freaking video, man. Back with another freaking video. Do y'all like my hair? Do y'all like my hair? Let me tell y'all something. First of all, the gold pieces was not like, well, I say it look like gold highlights or whatever. It was not like planned or whatever, but I ran out of red hair. So, and then I had these gold pieces from the first time I did this hairstyle. So, yeah, this hair is some leftover hair from the first time I did this hairstyle. But yeah, in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial how to do this hairstyle. I'm not sure what the name of the hairstyle is. I saw it on Instagram, not Instagram, Pinterest. I saw it on Pinterest, and I was like, "Ooh, I want that hairstyle. I'm gonna do that hairstyle." So, but basically, I'm gonna explain the hairstyle. So, it's box braids, of course, but each box braid, like, I'm gonna do the gold one because it's easier to see. So each box braid like has like a piece of curly hair hanging out the braid. Then there's also curly hair hanging at the bottom of the braid. So for each braid, like in the middle of the braid, I leave a piece of curly hair out and then leave it out at the bottom for each braid that's in my head. And that's also what I did with the red ones too. So when it comes all together, you know, you see braids and waves together. Boy, yeah, you see braids and waves together when it comes all together. And I love this look, and I really love it. And the gold, even though the gold parts wasn't planned out, I think I like the gold parts. Like, I like the gold parts right here. I really do. Like, I'm feeling this hairstyle. I think I like this color, these two colors together better than I like the first time I did the gold. When I did the gold braids like this, it was just all gold braids all over my head. And yeah, I liked that too. But now that I did this, I like this better. I don't know if you want to call it burgundy, red, whatever you want to call it. Burgundy and gold, red and gold, whatever you want to call it. But I like these two colors. I like these two colors together. I like them. I like it. Yup. It's hot out here, y'all. It's really hot. Hotter than a motherfreaker. Hotter than a motherfreaker. It's hot, 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 hot.
She get on, don't depend on no nigga, cause I'ma go get it or go get a nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me sleeping, but God's protecting. Can't tell them no nigga, cause I let the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. I like the women, they gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga, cause I'ma go get it or go get a nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me sleeping, but God's protecting. Can't tell them no nigga, cause I let the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. Don't fuck with these niggas, no trust in these bitches. Riding them dolo, let's hold my my brothers. They'll put a hole in your muffin. Round with them straps, you don't know when it's coming. Clocking, I clock out, I add up the budget. Tired of seeing all my people with nothing. So a young nigga ain't really had nothing. Don't put your hands on me, that's in the discussion. Niggas be talking, I know they be bluffing. I done touch money like really touch money. Chopper eat your ass up like a blender. Try jumping hard in the trenches. 12 keep on riding, no telling who in here. Watch, I be peeping out windows. Got boys on the windows and blinds on the windows. Protection, we keep it abundant. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. 12 don't ask me cause I don't know nothing. I'm just around for the come up. The ones to the strippers, the 10s and the 20s. Oh yeah, the 50s and 100s. I want it bad like some work in a junkie. I'm finna be on some boss shit. Work, I be flexing and flossing. Wet from that water, I swim like a dolphin. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm on my way. Track star running straight to the bank. I play my zone, so fuck what you think. Ron John go hard in the paint. Don't trip on no hater, just eat up the cake. Beef sizzle it and cut it for late. My lingo is gualo, no you can't relate. Drop to my knees and I pray every day. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it, yeah. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. Don't fuck with these niggas, no trust in these bitches. Riding them dolo, let's hold my brothers. They'll put a hole in your muffin. Round with them straps, you don't know when it's coming. Clocking, I clock out, I add up the budget. Tired of seeing all my people with nothing. So a young nigga ain't really had nothing. Don't put your hands on me, that's in the discussion. Niggas be talking, I know they be bluffing. I done touch money like really touch money. Chopper eat your ass up like a blender. Try jumping hard in the trenches. 12 keep on riding, no telling who in here. Watch, I be peeping out windows. Got boys on the windows and blinds on the windows. Protection, we keep it abundant. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Came from the res and I'm headed to riches. Used to hit Lee, see the chance, I'ma hit it. They call me slipping, but God's protecting. Can't tell no nigga cause I live the mission. Don't get it twisted, J Chopper gon' get it. 12 don't ask me cause I don't know nothing. I'm just around for the come up. The ones to the strippers, the 10s and the 20s. Oh yeah, the 50s and 100s. I want it bad like some work in a junkie. I'm finna be on some boss shit. Work, I be flexing and flossing. Wet from that water, I swim like a dolphin. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm on my way. Track star running straight to the bank. I play my zone, so fuck what you think. Ron John go hard in the paint. Don't trip on no hater, just eat up the cake. Beef sizzle it and cut it for late. My lingo is gualo, no you can't relate. Drop to my knees and I pray every day. I like the women that gotta go get it. She get on, don't depend on no nigga. Cause I'ma go get it or go get it, nigga. Niggas just locked in the box, locked up and watching the clock. Locked up and fighting the lights, locked up and swinging the knives. I keep living the life, no cardio right. I don't want cardio, so